glory, the honor, the majesty on high is so very special, can't be seen by mortal eye. For eyes not seen and ears not heard what Jesus has prepared. Something very special is waiting over there. For God has gone to prepare a very special place, one where sin cannot abound, it's never known disgrace. Jasper walls, gates of pearl stand shining round the throne. We call it special, the special call it home. A land of milk and honey, transparent golden streets, a special land that can't be walked by ordinary feet. No more nights to hinder, just rejoicing round the throne. A special robe upon my back will sing a special song. For God has come to prepare a very special place, one where sin cannot abound, it's never known